If you brake to the pin and this steer leaves the chute and steps over to the left, obviously you're going to be in a bad position from the very beginning. Also, this creates one of the most dangerous scenarios in team roping. You do not ever want to get in a spot to where you can tangle your horse's front feet with the steer. That's where bad things happen. If this steer comes out and steps to the left and you're braking to the inside, again, you kill all your momentum because at that point you have to completely shift everything and get way over to the left to get in the right spot. Well, it works the same way if you're braking too wide in lane number 1. If the steer comes out and goes over to the right, obviously you're leaving this much ground to make up, and you're going to have to use a lot of your horse's momentum to get back over to the right. That's why lane 2 is the most versatile. If the steer comes out and steps left, you have time to think about it, move your horse over to the left. If the steer comes out and goes right, well, then you have time to move your horse over to the right and make up that ground without being as far as you were if you were in lane 1. So I think it's really important that when you back in the box, look down the box and see if your distance is similar on both sides. Are you leaving this room on both ends and breaking down the center, putting yourself in the most successful position to start the run? Once you do that, see your start, break down the middle of the box, and adjust with your left hand according to the steer. If the steer is going right, you've got room to push to the right. If the steer is going left, you have time to react and move him to the left. So be very aware of how you're starting from the corner, pointed in the correct lane.